Coming right up, Igear's W-01 upgrade kit. Welcome everybody to Transformers and Stuff. I'm SR and this is Igear's W-01 upgrade kit review. So it comes like this inside this crate. This is just a gray plastic crate with the Igear logo on it, and if you look closely you can see it says W-01. First of all, on the lid of the box you have a handle. You have these two, I guess it's a clip system, a small one and a bigger one, and you have 4 pegs which you can put the weapon on them, and 2 on the sides of the handle which are a bit smaller. I'm guessing it's a 5mm and the 4 or 3mm size holes. So let's open the crate, but before that, a size comparison. This is a size comparison next to Igear's previous upgrade kit. This is the Cup 01 heads kit. This is what it looks like next to it. It's a lot bigger. This cost me about $15 plus shipping, and I think it's worth it. It's pretty cool. So what's inside? When you open the box, you have inside here is a foam, and inside the foam you have 5 weapons. 2 are these big, I don't know, laser pistols. 2 handguns, and 1 big sniper rifle. I'm guessing you can put this on Cup or maybe on Blur. These 2 again can go on any other of the generations RTS robots. Now the plastic feels a bit cheap. I guess it's because it's not filled inside. I believe there are gaps inside the pistols because they are made of 2 pieces glued together. Everything feels very light, but it looks pretty good. Details are okay, nice details, and on the sniper rifle, very nice all around. They are colored of a very light gray, almost silver. These 2 are in the same color, and these 2 are a bit darker gray. All in all, they are very cool. Just to show you how they look on Transformers themselves. This is Blur holding the sniper rifle, as you've seen in the opening, and his friend Drift. Now on these 2 the weapons are a bit loose. I'm guessing because the holes on their fists is a bit bigger. I don't have Cup here with me, but I'm guessing that on Cup or maybe others it will fit a bit better. So all in all, so this is how it looks on Blur, but this is what it looks against Blur's rifle. Blur's rifle feels heavier. It feels like a higher quality of plastic. But all in all, again, like I said, it looks nice. You have here is a nice scope, and you have this little tripods or dual pods, which you can put the gun on, and it looks pretty cool. Leaning it on something, and you can let Blur hold them both and look very cool. The hand pistols are very nice. Again, and that's my thoughts on this kit. It's a nice upgrade kit. I will recommend it because it's not that high of a price, only $15, and you get 5 weapons, a crate, and it looks good. So this is my opinion on this lovely upgrade kit by Igear. It's W-01. See you in my next review. Goodbye.